Hello! Welcome students. Today we are going to be practicing with the passive voice. Now just a reminder that the passive voice is a way that we phrase our sentences so that the verb structure follows this formula. So it's the correct form of to be that matches the noun plus the past participle of whatever action we're doing. So for example, if we were trying to write a sentence about an owner walking their dog, but in the passive voice, we would say the dog is walked by the owner. So is our form of to be. Walked is the past participle of to walk or walking, and that is our verb phrase when we're using a passive voice. All right, so now let's get into a couple of different examples so we can practice with this. So example number 1, the homework blank before school began. So is it A, the homework was completed before school began, or B, the homework completed before school began? And let's take a look at the answer. It is A, the homework was completed before school began. So now let's take a look at why this is the correct answer. So remember, when we use the passive voice, our verb phrase has two components. So the first component is the correct form of to be. So if we look at homework, that's our noun, and it is plural. And so we are going to be using a plural form of to be. And this is also something that's happening in the past. The homework is being completed before school began. So it's already completed now. So we're using the past plural, and we're going to say was. And then, so was is our form of to be, and then our past participle of to complete is completed. So we have was completed. Let's take a look at our next example. Example 2. The classroom blank every day after the students leave. Is it A, the classroom to be cleaned every day after the students leave, or B, the classroom is cleaned every day after the students leave? So go ahead and take a minute to think of your answer. And it is B. The classroom is cleaned every day after the students leave. So let's see. Let's look at the two parts of our verb phrase here. So for our form of to be, the classroom is our noun. It's a singular. It's happening every day. So we're going to use is. The classroom is. Remember that to be is not, that's the infinitive. That's not one of the verb forms. So that's why B is the correct answer. You're using is, and then plus the past participle of clean, which is cleaned. All right, next to our third example, the grammar lessons blank by the teacher each week. Is it A, the grammar lessons is prepared by the teacher each week, or B, the grammar lessons are prepared by the teacher each week? Let's see. Our answer is B. The grammar lessons are prepared by the teacher each week. Okay, so let's take a look. The first part of our verbal phrase is our form of to be that matches with our noun. So our noun is lessons here. Lessons is plural. So we're going to match it with are instead of is. Is the singular, are is the plural. So that is why answer B is correct, because it uses the proper form of to be, are, plus that past participle of prepare, or to prepare, which is prepared. All right, now let's move on to our last example, example number 4. The tables blank by the students when they do their work. Is it A, the tables are used by the students when they do their work, or B, the tables are used by the students when they do their work? Go ahead and take a look at it. And A, is the correct answer here. The tables are used by the students when they do their work. So let's break down our answer real quick. So first part of our verbal phrase is our form of to be. This is matches with our noun tables, which is plural, and that's going to be are. The tables are, which is used in both answers A and B, so that means our form of to be is correct. And then we have to look at our past participles. The past participle of the verb to use is used instead of is used, which is the past participle form, and that is used in A, answer A. So are used is correct in this case. All right, students. So now that we've taken a look at all of our examples, hopefully you were able to have a better understanding of how to best use the passive voice in your own writing. If you have any further questions, you can go ahead and send me an email or come talk to me. But for now, I think we're done. So I hope you have a great morning or afternoon, and we will continue on with more grammar lessons at a later date. Bye!